It says 12th right now in the thing, but this is the mesh cover that we're putting back on this iPhone 7 Plus. Um, and if you want to skip ahead, it's going to take me a little bit to get set up here. I'm T, and this is part of the series. iPhone 7 Plus, 1784 model screen and battery replacement. Yeah, like I said, I'm just getting set up. So making sure I have chat, because if you're watching this later, this was live stream. We've been live streaming often on this channel. So yeah. Okay. No, actually, number 13, pretty sure. Okay. So I got to get these videos up. That we're going off of. And I'm Rusty here. I haven't streamed in a few days. And I think that's about how it's been. And I've just been dealing with some personal stuff. Not a fan of what I've been dealing with. So, yeah.
Once you're done with that,
awesome. We have the sound working. Great. Just making sure everything is working.
we're going to remove the. Once you're done with that,
And make sure if this is the right spot.
Great. Making sure everything is working.
Ah, chaos. All right. This is the right spot. All right, we said timestamp 11:19. Awesome. What is this? 11:25. Oh man, so this I'm trying to decide. I think I want to clean it off a little bit. This stinks. Usually I have better light. I'm just like I wanted to do this earlier today. This is a mess, but I wanted to keep going at least like it's been so long since I've streamed. It's been so long since we've been working on this series specifically. So yeah, what is this like? Is this? You'll tell me. You must tell me how the thing looks when it looks bad. Yeah, it doesn't look the best, but so yeah, so where we left off was this little piece right here is like the seeker mesh, which I just found out by talking to somebody. Super helpful to always get second opinions. I tried to put it on the channel, no one answered, so I found somebody in person to ask, and they were just like, "Yeah, this is just the mesh." And I looked at it, and I was like, "Oh, it is the mesh." Because like, if you look at this, I don't know if it's obvious to you, but like, this little piece right here, it has this little metal circular thing. I know you can't see great. It looks almost like you could plug a chip into it or something. So when I was looking, I didn't look at it that carefully. Just like, I don't know, I make silly state mistakes like that all the time. And so I was like, oh, is this like some sort of electrical thing? And no, it's just a mesh thing. So so the fact that it got really dusty isn't a problem. And I was like, there's this adhesive. Basically, what happened is there's all this adhesive. I kind of want to maybe use this SIM card thing to try and scrape off this dust a little. There's this adhesive, and this adhesive, like it basically just fell on the ground, and it's not the cleanest in the space right now. I forget one of the videos you might even be able to see where I dropped it, but like, and so all this hair and like lint and stuff got it, and I was like, darn it, like now I gotta like have this electrical part. How am I gonna get this off and get adhesive back on? And I'm like trying to figure it out. And I was like, oh, maybe I can just like get it off. This isn't working super well, by the way. Maybe I could just, I'll use tweezers maybe. Maybe I can just, like, okay, can I wash, how to wash an electrical part? Can you do that? Like, what electrical parts can you wash? Can I wash it with like rubbing alcohol or water and then just like reapply the adhesive? Yeah, I'm not having a lot of luck here. I'm just trying to get any hairs that are still so that they don't like touch anything electrical and like phrase something, but we may just have to risk it. Anyway, um, and so that's what I was trying to figure out. And I was like, then I would have to reapply adhesive, figure out what adhesive is right, because this all seems delicate and sensitive. So I want to use the right adhesive. Anyway, the person at the store was just like, you probably just put it back on. And so that's what I'm going to do. It looks less dirty now. I don't know if it's just because of nighttime. So that is what we are doing next right now.
The white transparent.
This is the video we're going off of. This is what we've been going off of. I will put it in the chat so you can see. We'll be going off some other thing too, but I don't know if we'll use that today. It's at the beginning of the video. It's this link if you're really nerd and want to zoom in. All right, I'll just put that in the chat too, since I don't know. It's always good to have these. I always get annoyed. Like, I'm sure it's in the other videos, but whatever. I really want to get this project done so we can move on to the next thing. I have so many things I want to work on.
The mounting bracket here, the white
Low quality. Let's make it better.
transparent. Connect
I think I went too far.
with the hammer. So you want to align these two little holes here.
Yeah, I did. He already has it back in. Maybe he like doesn't. Yeah, I think he doesn't. He never takes it out or something. I don't know why. It's already back in here, so it's annoying. Is it the other video maybe that I had it? Do. I don't think so. But maybe we will look real quick. Man, I am so tired. I hate streaming this late currently. I'm just like not in the best health right now. Oh cool, let's just skip to right where it was.
Metric vent.
All right, how about this? We'll just search how to do it real quick because why is that on? What is that? What is that? Is that caps lock? I don't know, whatever. Yeah, that was probably caps lock. All right, what are we searching? We're searching put headphone mesh back. Everything's messy! Just do this. I don't think it's going to even pop up with anything, but we'll see. Put headphone mesh back on iPhone 7 Plus. I feel like I saw it on the video, on one of these videos. Put headphone, is that the right word?
With no adhesive on the iPhone 7 Plus LED shield plate, and the
What's the word for where the volume comes out of the phone? There's the microphone and the earphone. Put words today, man.
cable's nicely managed. Simply lift it away from the display. assembly.
I'm just like wondering if I just zoomed in. I feel like I probably did. It's probably in one of my videos, honestly. All right, what if I just look at it? I think it just fits in here, and then it screws in. But it doesn't screw until later. That's what's kind of confusing. It's kind of weird that it popped out. Yeah. Well, you can see right here. Okay. Yeah. So it goes with this little metal part up and to the right, because you see right there. Basically, on this video with timestamp 626, the one that's most recently linked, I think, up here you can see the little metal thing. It has this little metal, like, what's it called, bracket or prong or something that goes up there. So I'm just going to put that there. It goes up into the right, and it fits in perfectly right there. And I'm trying to see if this got bent. If I bent it while I was like dragging it around, if I need to rebend it or something. You know, it's this tiny aluminum piece, so I don't know. We'll see. We're just gonna leave it there. We're gonna leave it there. Okay. And what's next? Oh, what is next? Back to this video.
Okay, once you have all the installed, let's go ahead and get going with the.
Oh, this thing. This octopus of a piece here. Oh man.
Front camera. So you want to align these two little holes here.
Yeah. So I'm trying to figure out which way this goes. Yeah, it just goes. I mean, it's obvious actually. Though make sure these dots are facing up, these gold dots. And then I think I'm just going to plug it in. I don't know. Yeah. Only one way it seems. Oh man, this light sucks. The worst thing, hands down, the worst thing about working right now is my lighting setup. Okay, actually, I don't know if it's down. Am I scratching the lens of this camera right now? It doesn't seem scratched, but I don't know. Guess we'll find out. That would be a bummer. Because I feel like the last thing, right? Like, what are old phones good for? They're good for cameras. If, like, if you just need a camera. All right, I want to push this down over these things. And I don't really see how I'm going to do that maybe with these tweezers. See, it just doesn't stay on. Like, do I bend it? I did just bend it, and it seems more straight. Oh man, I wonder also maybe I shouldn't damage these because they look gold. So if they're gold, it might be an electrical conductor. Yeah, what's the word? Conductive. Conducts electricity. Conductor. Might be a conductor. Well, I have that on. I just like have to hold it here. It pops off. I mean, it's mostly on. What's next?
Onto the phone. And then make sure that the bracket.
What am I doing? Hi, Captain Cold. Hi. Hi, mobile panel. I'm fixing an iPhone 7 Plus. Screen and battery replacement. Right now we're putting the little, I forget what this thing, the camera back on and whatever comes with it. What are you doing?
Is reconnect back to the mounting bracket here, the white transparent, to the mounting bracket here, which is, and then make sure that the bracket
What?
here onto the phone, and then make sure.
Okay, something up there, dude just presses in. And I'm like, what do you... So I think the thing that is pressed in is... No! It fell off. Alright, it's back on. I think the thing that is pressed in is like little piece. It just folds. It like folds back and forward. But I think it just presses flat to itself. Like, yeah, I forget why. I can't think of why that's designed like that right now. But it's probably just geometric. Okay. Dude puts it in there so easily. So... I want to use my finger. I should like look to see how like big people's fingers are in these tutorials. Should be helpful. Like, is my finger too big for this? I'm trying to see if there's anything else that needs to go anywhere there. So there's these little electrical like things right here. You see these little dot things on the other side of the thing? Not dot things, lines. I kind of want to put this in first now, whatever this plug is. Oh, am I plugging it in the wrong thing? Does it go in the white part? Does it go in the white part or does it go in the... It seems like it goes in the little thing next to it because there's these two little like divots or something, and there's two divots on the case as well. So I'd imagine it goes... I'm going to try and just plug that first. Actually, what is, I'm like, I should watch this again.
And these two little holes here to the phone. And then make sure that the bracket is...
Dude, like, I gotta watch it again to see exactly.
Onto the phone.
Okay, so there's that white square, and then there's that thing.
And then make sure that...
I think I get it. Well, I at least see more than I did before I watched it again right there. What's confusing is why it won't go into me. Like, this person makes it look so easy. Maybe I should take the gloves off. Right now I'm using the tweezers, which feels like a mistake. Always a bad idea to add leverage. Okay, I think one of the things just went in. Does this other thing need to go in? I'm confused if this is like a sensor or if this is just some... I imagine it needs to go in. It's not just some aimless piece of plastic. Okay. This is like, it's just so not easy. It's like so, I'm wondering if I bent something or I'm missing something, because that's like, but then like as soon as I say that, I feel like it'll just snap in and it'll be like, ooh. Is that in? I don't know if that's in. Okay. That might be in. If not, like the front sensor thing won't work. Well, I took it out, so if it was in, it's out now. All right, we're gonna get it back to where it was if we can, and we're gonna call it good. I hate this piece so much. This piece right now is making me think, I don't want to do phones. I don't want to do iPhones. I don't know. I mean, it seems in-ish to me. I think we're gonna move on because like if it just doesn't hammer in the end, then we can always go back, I guess. It's really truly terrible.
And then make sure that the bracket is reconnect back to the mounting bracket here, the white transparent.
Ah, now you're lifting and putting it together.
Have the speaker insert.
Okay, I will lift it up too. Make sure the mounting bracket's back in. I'm so salty. I get salty when I'm tired. Take it with a grain of salt. No pun intended. Make sure that that's in correctly. Well, easier said than done. I can't see what like it looks like.
On top, have the speaker insert.
Nope,
on
I don't.
top of the connect.
Like, we can't see it.
Have the speaker
This tutorial stinks.
insert on top.
For the record, this is what mine looks like. I don't know if it's in enough. I don't know if the camera focused. To try and describe it, it is almost flush with the white, this white little ledge up there. I think it should probably be flush, which is make me want to fiddle with it more, but also I'd rather just keep going. Why? Well, apparently not, because I fiddled with it more and it popped out completely. I hate everything. Okay, I don't hate everything. That's dramatic. Oh, wow. Now it just snapped in. Okay, now it seems very much flush. Well, all right, I got nothing. That just feels like luck to me. I don't know why it snapped in. I'm very warm right now. Let's see if I can get more temperate. I'm warm and I'm thirsty. Talking makes me thirsty. And then we're going to put this speaker back on. After I drink some water and check chat, even though no one spoke after the first those messages. Oh, maybe I didn't respond quick enough. Maybe I'll get some of those glasses so that I can see chat. Those AR glasses. I've been thinking about that. I don't know if any are compatible with like YouTube or YouTube chat or whatever. That'll be invented. That should be invented if it's not. Like, you know, you just see chat with your eyes so you don't have to look at some screen. Oh. Oh man. Okay. Are there water on me? No. Okay. Is there water on me? How
The
does
connection, and
person
then
put
flip
this
over,
speaker?
insert on top, have the speaker, insert on top.
Okay, this is a speaker. It looks kind of symmetrical to me, or no, okay, so the speaker has two holes on one side and one hole on the other side. It looks like it appears as though this person is putting the two holes to the left, which doesn't make sense to me because to me on my phone there's two holes to the right. But let's see how it
Top
looks.
of the connection, have the speaker, insert.
There's two holes to the right as well.
On top of the connection, and then
oh, did he just put his two holes to the right? Let's see.
Insert. Have the speaker, insert on top of.
Why am I tripping right now?
Have the speaker, insert on top.
Looks like he
of
does,
the
yeah.
connection,
Okay.
And then flip.
I'm weird right now. I'm just tired. Oh, you know what else I'm excited about? I have a multimeter, so I'm gonna be able to test. I want to test to make sure this battery is still like good if I can test that somehow. I'll how to like test this battery with a multimeter if I remember, because like otherwise then I don't have a battery that's gonna be good enough for this. Okay. We just have to make sure the camera's in the right position, right? We gotta. Where is the camera and
The mounting bracket here, the white transparent.
what? Where? Okay, and then his camera's to the left. Like that's the camera, right?
The speaker, insert.
And his camera.
On top of the connection.
I guess the okay, so I guess the speaker goes under. Oh, please don't come off like so over that. I really want to do this upside down so that's closer to me. The speaker doesn't really, it doesn't feel like it clicks in at all. It just feels like it's like kind of existing here. Yeah, it doesn't really click into place, I don't think. I think this just probably gets screwed in. So I'm just gonna see what happens. This is actually really.
And then flip over the front camera.
Ah, I see. Okay.
Once you have that installed, do not forget the bracket, and the bracket goes.
This is a crazy amount of things to like. He's making it look so easy. It does not feel easy. This feels bigger than it needs to be. Like, yeah. Okay, that actually seems pretty. Oh, it seemed decent, and then I kept finagling with it. Yeah, it doesn't. We'll see. Okay, that looks okay. We'll see if I can get the screws threaded. Okay, well, how's the bracket go? Oh man.
Once you have that installed, do not forget the bracket.
All right, those two things are down. So the things with the two screws are down and to the right. The two holes, rather. The two holes right side by side are down to the right, and that just goes over there. Is this going to work? We'll find out.
Top of it, and get all your screws.
No, you know what I just realized? Now I need to figure out what screws go in here. Did I write it down? Let's see. Do we have this? That would be wonderful. Yes! Wait. No, that's home button. 19. Okay. Oh, my hand hurts holding this down. Okay, it doesn't hurt, but I can't do this forever. I want to put something weighted on it. Okay. I kind of just want to guess because this is driving me nuts. Oh, the home button's already in. So what's 17 and 19? 17. Okay, I'm gonna assume all these screws. Oh, but I don't have it there, and they're different sizes. I can see from up here. Basically, can y'all see this? Basically, these screws up here in 12, what is that? 11? 11 through 17? No, 11 through 15? Yeah. 11 through 15 was 5 different screws, and I don't know where they go. So we're going to go to video 3. I'm just leaving it right there. Man. I'm so tired. It'd be great if we could just get these, at least get these screws in. I want the whole thing to be done. I am enjoying fixing it, but it's just like a long break was not. I'm probably just tired. Okay. Let's see. Playlists. And we're going to this. Make some notes here. On video 3, I wrote screws starting at 12:42. And I go to 12. So really, so yeah, my notes are conflicting here. We'll see if we can figure this out real quick. Video 3. Oh yeah, like video 3. All right, sever 17 between 17:12 and 18:24. Let's just start with that. Video 3. It's not this. What is it? Is the set screws 7 and 8. Over here. S2 Y. There's a 0.8. Driving me nuts. Okay. I'm calling this because I don't have the capacity for this right now. I didn't realize I was going to have to find these screws. I probably should have, but whatever. Okay, so that is not secured. I'll put this on top. This is just to protect it from dust. No, what is that? Did that pop out? Did that pop out? I want to see if that popped out. I think that's from the old one. I think this is from the old one too. Actually, you know what's funny? I think that's the new one. I think I'm using the old one. These are identical. Right? No. Wait, did I not put that in? Is that supposed to be in? Because that plastic thing is in. There is a mesh cover on. I mean, I don't know. That thing, unless that thing is like a sensor. What do you think? If you know, let me know. What is this thing? Like, is that a sensor? This is the other side of it. It just looks like the other one, but it doesn't look like it has mesh. It just looks like a slit. Okay. All right. Need to figure out which screws go into the speaker bracket. And where'd that case go? Here it is. I feel like I'm gonna want to take it all apart. I mean, it looked right. Nothing looked off to me, but I feel like I could be missing something. All right, anyway, see you in the next one. Write in the comments if you know things or have ideas. Peace out, folks. What am I doing here? Oh. Oh! Oh, should we say hey to whoever's here real quick? Who's this? Captain Cold 54. What do you got? What's on your channel? And then we got mobile panel. We'll probably stop doing this at some point. This is, what does this person do? Like, I don't get this. It has 200,000 views, but there's only, it's like nothing on the channel. It's like hack. Is this a hack? Like what's, and then what's Captain Cold? All right, nothing. I think we'll probably stop that practice for now. We won't look at people's things anymore. Or at least on stream, maybe not as much. All right, peace, y'all.